Okay, so I think I figured out what's going on with my Laguna. I think there's a machining issue with the um, adapter that runs from the Laguna threads to my chuck. So let me flip you around and show you what's going on. So here's my Nova adapter. If I take an Allen wrench and ride it in here where it's smooth, you can hear and this, can you see it? I can feel it. There's a shake in that, but when I take this off, same RPMs, there's nothing there. I mean, there's a little catch in the middle from whatever, but there's no movement. There's no shake. There's no bounce. Nothing. But did you hear that knock in there? I can feel it in my hand. I don't know if you can see it. So I'm gonna reorder another adapter. And now I'm regretting not just buying, because I bought a new chuck, I'm now just regretting not buying a chuck that was pre-built for the 1 to 8. Also, what I thought was weird, on this outboard part here, I was watching a video and a guy said, hey, I was getting a knocking noise and this was loose. I just loosened up the Allen screws, locked the head in place, and twisted this, and that got rid of my knock. But what was weird was when I unthreaded this off just to look at it, this bearing shifted out like a 16th of an inch. It was weird. Anyway, if anybody has any other thoughts or ideas of what I might be messing around with, what I might be doing wrong with this, it's a brand new machine, brand new adapter, brand new chuck from Nova, the Nova G3 Lite. I'm at a loss. I really don't know. I can't get good turns out of it. You can see on the inside those lines. I can't. Not the cracks, but the actual lines around the edge. I can't get rid of those because I can't get a good sand down in there. Like you can see it on the outside too. You see that lighter top and along the bottom there, where it won't let me sand completely down to the rest of it because the whole thing is just bouncing a little bit, just a little bit. So, any thoughts would be fantastic. Thanks.